All right, so let's get right to the point right here. You're probably looking for a way to create some income. And it's obvious when you go online, there are a million different websites all claiming to be able to create income for you. But this one website that you're looking at here, right here, is totally different. I've been creating online businesses for about 20 years. And this is one of the easiest ways to create income online is through this website right here. One of the best things about it is there's no credit card needed. Like with most of these so-called business opportunities, you have to put in your credit card, and if you don't like it, you have to worry about canceling and everything like that. This one, if you go through this website, there's an opportunity where you can set up an online business in minutes and actually create income using it without even putting in your credit card. No personal identification other than your name and an email address. So you can go in there, set things up, and if you can, and you can start generating income day one without even putting in your credit card. Well, how do I know? I check it out myself. Actually, went in there, signed up, and I was actually able to start creating income online without even putting in a credit card, nothing. The best part is it's not drop shipping, it's not affiliate marketing, it's not blogging, it's not e-commerce, it's none of those. It's totally different. All you need is an internet connection with a mouse or something, and then that's all you need. So if you are looking for a way to create some income online, this is it. Don't click on YouTube looking for other opportunities or click around. This is it right here through this website right here. You don't even need to take out your credit card. You can start creating income within minutes and check it out yourself. And the best part is, again, there's no credit card needed. So if it's not legit, you don't even have to even worry about canceling because they don't have your personal information. So go ahead, somewhere around this video, you will see a link to the website. Go ahead, check it out, and good luck.